I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here today with the Botley Crash and Construction accessory set. So we already had a lot of fun with Botley, but I always felt like there was something missing, and this Crash and Construction set really adds a new dynamic to the Botley play because you get a lot of extras here, and it's all about this wrecking ball. So you can move Botley around in order to wreck things. So you get a few blocks here that you can knock down with the wrecking ball, and you get another attachment for the Botley, so you can give him another look and feel like the construction look here, so it really looks the part. So there are 3 blocks, but the cool thing here is that it also comes with a few extra challenges. So that's where the book comes in. So it starts very easy, just bash some blocks with using only right turns, then use only left turns to knock down 3 blocks. Then it gets a little bit more difficult from there, using larger distances to cross over and knock down. But also you can use this crane here to pick up the blocks and carry them around. So it's not only a wrecking ball, but he can also carry the blocks. So I think that's a nice addition here. And of course, it's the most fun to combine this with the activity set that you probably already have. So you can make some obstacles for him before he gets to something to knock down. So if you like Botley but grew out of the existing challenges already, this is a really fun set for you.